Year 3. I just want to firstly say how great all your work is and how I'm loving seeing it all on Seesaw. You're all doing an amazing job. Please keep going. It's lovely to see your work using great vocabulary, and I can't wait to see your poems after today. So we're looking at number 7, short burst writing poetry. So it says, unicorns are thought to be kind and gentle creatures. They are usually described as being shy, but when they do meet humans, they are often helpful and generous. Sometimes they save lives. Imagine if you had your very own unicorn to look after you and keep you happy. That would be very special indeed. This is what our poem is going to be all about. So this is their version of the poem. I'll read it to you. My unicorn. My unicorn carries me to the corners of the world, while I rest on its back in blankets, dreaming. My unicorn listens with a careful ear while my woes flow fast, settling. My unicorn reads me stories of other lands while I paint with the words imagining. My unicorn runs alongside me and shares its strengths while mine ebbs away, slowly. My unicorn protects and heals those who are close while I watch, thankful. So we're going to use this same layout and magpie, some of the words used in here, okay? So for every verse we do, we're going to use my unicorn, we're going to use while and dreaming. They're going to be our starter for our poems, okay? So this is going to be each verse, and it's always going to start with my unicorn. It'll have while in it and settling. My unicorn while imagining, my unicorn while slowly, my unicorn while thankful, okay? So I'm going to show you my version that I've done. I've highlighted the bits that we're keeping and magpieing from that poem. My unicorn carries me. It's good to edit. My unicorn carries me to all the secret places of the world while I fly on its back and feel the cold breeze pass my face. As you can see, I've done some editing. Dreaming. Next verse. My unicorn listens with its enormous ear while I tell her all my worries and fears. Settling. My unicorn reads me magical adventure stories from around the world while I draw the pictures with my finger, imagining. My unicorn dashes and prances alongside me with flaming strands of fire while tearing past, shadowing me as it goes, slowly. My unicorn is my entire world and protects me always, whilst I watch in awe. Thankful. Okay, so can you see how I've changed it? The original one is, my unicorn carries me to the corners of the world while I rest on its back in blankets, dreaming. My own version is, my unicorn carries me to all the secret places of the world while I fly on its back and feel the cold breeze pass my face, dreaming. So the bits I've added in, I've changed these bits. I've kept the world bit the same, so you're kind of following the poem verse but changing it to make it your own, okay? This is quite an exciting opportunity because you get to write your own poem and be the author of your own poem, okay? So it's a piece of work you should be proud of. So make sure you think about the words and my unicorn carries me. Think about where your unicorn could carry you. So it's going to carry you somewhere while you're doing something, okay? And then you're going to put dreaming. I hope that makes sense, and I cannot wait to hear your amazing poems.